Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, it is snowing. I'm not sure how many inches this is. This is probably like, I think so far since this morning, probably like 6 inches. But right now I'm just driving back and I decided to record a little something. So like usually around this time, I think like when it snows like this, like the first snowfall or whatever, usually a lot of accidents happen. So far I haven't seen any, and I think it's because last weekend we had freezing rain, which caused around like 300 car accidents, and you know, insurance loves that. But actually, wait, hold up, I think I might have seen a car slip out. But yeah, as you can see, this is Minnesota for you. So this is the Minnesota's truest nature. But as dangerous as roads get, as crazy as like salt like rust gets, it is a beautiful view, and it's something that, you know, many from the south won't get, many from other countries don't get. So always being able to take the time and seeing, you know, the beautiful trees, you know, it's nice. It's nice to see that. But then once you happen to end up on the road like this person, then you're kind of like I can deal without the snow. But anyways, how's your guys' day? Is it snowing where you live? Let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I'm just driving around. Right now, I do feel a bit of slippage. Oh, there's another one that isn't really... Oh, might not have gas. That's what it could be. I mean, I might not have gas either, so that's nice. I'll probably go put some right now, but just wanted to record a little something. See, like this. Like, the trees. So beautiful. But anyways... I don't even know what I'm saying, but I just want to record a little something. I'm still like a bit nasally because I've been sick for like the past maybe week. Well, not really sick, but it's just like it's been coming, like the symptoms, and like I've been trying to avoid it. Like I wear my hat, I wear my jacket, and like it helps. And I've also like done home remedies such as, you know, like salt and water. I don't think I'm gonna catch this light, so just to be safe, I'm just gonna make a full stop, just in case. Yep, what'd I say? So it was a good thing I made a full stop. But like I said, like I've been doing like home remedies such as water and salt, you know, the typical like honey, even though I don't do that. Ooh, that's a nice rig. Look at that, boy. So we can get... That's a nice one. I think that's a F-250? I'm not sure. As you can tell, like when it comes to trucks, I'm still new at this whole truck scene. But I love my Silverado. And right now, during the wintertime, right now this weather, I love it even more. And it just reminds me, because I used to daily the Mustang, and it just puts me in a, like, what if I didn't trade it in, like, in time? Like, what if I was stuck like this, you know? But good thing that I made the trade, and so far I've been loving this with my heating seats, with the high climate control and everything. It's been nothing but nice. And especially with the push to start, no, not the push to start, the remote engine turn on, and also you can turn the engine on from the app. So like while I'm at work, I'm probably like maybe like 2 miles away from the parking lot that I stay at to go to work, and straight from like as soon as I clock out, like I go ahead and turn on my truck from like 2 miles away, and by the time I get there, it's nice and warm. So that's nice. But yeah, this is a little bit of, you know, the day in the life. Not really the day in the life, but a little view of a typical Minnesotan. What they see during these troubling times of snow and salt. Oh, there he is. There's that rig. But not sure how long I'm going to make this video. I did record like some outside shots that I'll definitely be putting in. So yeah.
Like the best moments start in the kitchen. Those moments 10 points are just 99 cents each.
What's crazy about this time, like when it snows really hard, is the fact that of how quiet the roads are. Like, because there's so much snow that all you hear is like the slush from the salted snow, or nothing at all. Here, let me turn this way first. You see? Or you hear, actually. There's not really any sound. And over there is a fire truck. Looks like they got themselves a situation. But I just went ahead, put gas, and got myself a little kickstart. But that's going to be the end of today's video. Hope you like it. I'm going to be dropping more videos like this, just because I like the view of it. As you can see, here, I'm going to just shut up and you can watch it. Very nice. But if you like these types of videos, go ahead and like and subscribe. And as always, thank you. Bye.